In this video, I will show you how to create a Calendly link. So there's different types of links you can create. First, you just have your general Calendly link, which if you sign into Calendly and go to your event types, and this is the link where people can just choose the event type themselves. But for example, I also have this 30-minute meeting. What you can also do is copy a link on that, and then people can only book in the 30-minute meeting, and then they can just select a time slot. I can also create a new event type, then one-on-one, group, round robin, or anything else you want to create. And then from there you can set the duration, you can give it a name and everything else. And then once you click create, there will also be a separate link for this specific meeting type. And then if you click more options right here, you can also add some other rules such as limits and buffers, free busy rules, etc. And then you will have a separate link for this one as well, which in this case is a 15-minute meeting. So those are different types of Calendly links and how to create them. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.